Hey guys, really excited. Got this 4K body cam. It's going to be able to take video, audio, take pictures, can do night vision as well. Really nice. Just wanted to show you real quick what it looked like before we put it to the test. You've got different options here on the side. You've got your lens right here in the front. It's got this little piece right here that you can connect. It also has different style of clips based on how you want to wear it, but did want to just show you what it looked like. Does come with a charger as well. Has a lot of features in this thing. Nice crisp screen right here. Just wanted to show you before we turn it on. As you can see, we've got this red button here on the side. This is going to be our power button. Go ahead and turn it on. This locks and unlocks the battery component. The buttons on this side are video marking, video, audio, and photo capture. Type-C, USB ports, and IR switch. Very easy to clip on. As you can see, we're out here by the water, getting ready to get on the boat. But I want to show you just kind of the pre-setup and everything that's going to be required. Really easy. Do like this one a lot. Heading out to the boat now. All right, so this is going to be your playback button where you're going to get to all of your videos, your photos, audio. You can scroll just to get to those specific ones. And then when you're ready, enter into them. Scroll back and you can see All right, so you can see how crisp that picture is there, but if you want to see it actually on your laptop, what you'll do is go over here and you've got your options. We're going to go ahead and put it in the Type-C. Cord does come with it. We're going to plug in our USB into the Type-C.
Okay.
All right, click on your USB drive. That isn't it. So here's one of the pictures that we took. You can see how crisp and clear that image is. All right, so here's how you get to all the options for your video or anything that you want to use with this device. Has so many different menu options to pick from, so you can adjust according to how you want your video to look. I really like this product. I highly recommend it, and I hope you found this helpful.